Welcome to my channel. At the end of this video, you will learn the correct way to simplify this algebraic expression right here. We have 10 divided by 5 divided by 10 divided by 5. Here, 10 divided by 5 divided by 10 divided by 5. Right here, 10 divided by 5, that gives us 2. Here, 10 divided by 5, that gives us 2. And lastly, 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1. But this answer is wrong. Do not make this mistake here. Now, to simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 10 divided by 5 divided by 10 divided by 5. Here first, we are going to consider this 10 divided by 5, that gives us 2 divided by 10 divided by 5. But at this point, we are going to apply KCF here. K means keep, C means change, F means flip, which implies that we are going to keep this value, this first value, which is 2, and we change the sign to multiplication. We flip this, change to multiplication, we flip this. Then by so doing, note that 2 can also be expressed as 2 all over 1. When we change the sign to multiplication, we flip 10 and we have 1 over 10. We change the sign to multiplication, we flip 5 and we have 1 all over 5. And here, 2 divided 7 and 2 into 10 is 5. And the whole expression becomes 1 multiplied by 1 all over 5 multiplied by 1 all over 5. When if you multiply this out, we are going to have 1 times 1 times 1, that gives us 1 all over 5 times 5, that gives us 25. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.